Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Madic from Bitrue to Ledger Nano X in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, securing your assets is more important than ever. Madic, the native token of the Polygon network, is a popular choice for fast and cheap transactions, and moving it from an exchange like Bitrue to a hardware wallet like Ledger Nano X is a smart way to protect it from hacks. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to avoid any costly mistakes. First things first, let's cover the prerequisites. You'll need a Bitrue account with Madic in your balance, your Ledger Nano X device set up and updated to the latest firmware, and the Ledger Live app installed on your computer. Also, ensure your Ledger is connected to your computer and unlocked, safety first. Now, let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account and navigate to the Wallets section. Find your Madic balance and click on Withdraw. This will open a form where you'll select the Polygon network, as Madic transactions typically use this for efficiency. Step 2. In the withdrawal form, you'll need to enter your Ledger Nano X wallet address. To get this, open Ledger Live on your computer, connect your device, and go to the Accounts section. Select or add your Polygon, Madic, account. Make sure it's the correct one. Copy the address carefully. Step 3. Back on Bitrue, paste the address into the withdrawal field. Enter the amount you want to send, but don't forget to check the network fees. They can vary, so aim for a balance between speed and cost. Review all the details, then hit Confirm on Bitrue. On your Ledger Nano X, you'll see a prompt to approve the transaction. Carefully verify the details on your device's screen. Never trust your computer alone. Once you confirm, the transaction will be broadcasted to the network. Finally, wait for the confirmation. This usually takes a few minutes on the Polygon network, but keep an eye on your Ledger Live app to see when it arrives. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your Madic. In 2025, with more advanced security features, always enable two-factor authentication and use hardware wallets for long-term storage. If you run into issues, check Bitrue's support or Ledger's resources. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there.